my dear crafters. So today this is what we're going to make. We're in our Easter 2024. We have these beautiful bunnies here, and you have some options here. I have some M&Ms, mini M&Ms that I just put in a little plastic bag, and this can be a beautiful flavor if you're having friends over. You just put it, on the table, or just to distribute it around your neighborhood to the kids that you love. And we have this beautiful bunny here. Sometimes I put a little face. I use some pearls in this one. That's the front, and on the back I always have a little tiny pom-pom. And this one, for example, that's the one we're putting together. And this one I didn't put any face because I wanted to just leave the paper as it is. It's a beautiful, it has these little eggs here. So Easter eggs, and I just wanted the paper to be the decoration itself. So it's just an option, and I wanted to show you that you do have options. But again, I have a little pom-pom here. And the other option, which is the one we're doing, is to have one of these Hershey Kisses. So these are chocolates, oh, not kisses, sorry, these are called nuggets. So Hershey nuggets, it fits perfectly here. And I'm going to show you how to put this together. It's very easy. So that little M&M, so just anything very, very small, because it's a pretty small bunny, as you can see, but perfect for mass producing. You will see how easy it takes you, I don't know, 5 minutes to cut one and glue it together. Look at this one. I made a little face and I have a little heart here. Again, on this one, I just wanted the paper to be the decoration itself. Very easy to put together, and I am going to show you how to do that right now. So this one is quite easy to do. It's one die only. Very simple. You just pass it through, and I'll have the link below to this die. Just pass it through once, which is great for mass producing. And this is what you get. And we're also going to dress up our little nugget here, our Hershey nugget, okay? So we'll put that aside first, and I'm going to zoom in so that you can see the details of the die. I'm gonna put this aside. So this is what you have after you have the die. So all you need to do is just fold it in like this. One, then turn around, fold it in again, and then you have here the die actually cuts. Let me show you. It folds, so you have a folding line here. So all you need to do is just press it in like that. Just fold it in. Very easy to put together because the die does everything you need. And here we are. All we need to do is just glue this inside. I'm going to press that in too. Just basically folding because all the cuts are done. So what you're going to do now is just put some glue in, pull it up, and glue it. That's it. This is really a great die to have on your stash. And it's one of those that you're going to use so many times. So just put some glue here, some glue here. And the best way to do this is just to put it on the table like that and pull it up. And you want to make sure that it's straight, like here, right there. So just pull it in inside a little bit. See, just make sure that it's straight. Sideways, there you go. So I'm gonna press it with my fingers, and I use my bone folder just to press it in. Do the same thing with the other side. So here we have put some glue. I like to use liquid glue because it gives you wiggle room to make sure that it's aligned. So there you go. So we press it up like that. And again, see, make sure that it won't stay here. It is really straight like that. So easy. Again, going to hold it with my fingers like that. Look it in. Yeah, it's good. I'm going to just press it a little bit more. And there you go. Use my bone folder to make sure. And you're done. Now it's all decoration. Look at that. So we're going to get our nugget. We have a piece of paper here that is 1, 2, 3 1/4 by 1. 3 1/4 by 1. And we're just going to wrap it up, wrap our Hershey like this. I hold it. I'm gonna put some glue here. Push it up like that. There you go. I'm just gonna make sure that it's aligned. It is. So press it. So we have the same paper, which makes it really cute. And we can just put it in like that. See, it fits perfectly. And now you have the same paper. Look at that. It's absolutely perfect for these Hershey's. I am not going to make the face with this one because I love the paper and it's great for that, for using this pattern paper. I'm just gonna just leave it like that because I don't know, I think it's too much to add a face here. So that's the front. Now we need to add this. So I usually just get a blue dot. I'm gonna get my X-Acto knife here. Just get a blue dot. You can use this double-sided adhesive, that works too. So we have a blue dot and I usually add a little bit more of adhesive. Get you a little tiny pom-pom, press it in, and you're done. So I just make sure to press it in really hard. Press again that blue dot, and there you are. We have our beautiful table decoration, the back, and that's the front. So let me put a little more here. One with the face. I'm going to zoom out. So here we are. I'm going to put some of the back here. And as I showed you in the beginning, you can also just fill up a little plastic bag with these mini M&Ms, and that's something else that you can do too. So do whatever you prefer. And here we are. We have our little table flavors, which you will give to your loved ones during Easter. So that's that. Continue watching the series. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and I will see you in my next video.